recently something happened that awakened a lot of people. I want to show you. Maybe you saw this,
Go ahead.
Francisco. Trump says that Israel is not going to do anything with the West Bank after annexation
Okay, let's
vote.
give them the
He says,
context. Let's give them the context first to it.
yes,
So recently in the Israeli Knesset, there was a narrow vote in favor of annexing Judea and Samaria, which is what the mainstream media calls the West Bank, which is a made-up name.
hmm,
Um, so, of course, it would be a good thing for Israel to annex Judea and Samaria because then uh, all over the entire territory of Judea and Samaria, then you have Israeli law being the law of the land, and then you can crack down on these jihadi terrorists who are paying Arab Palestinians to murder Jews, right? So the Palestinian Authority, Al Fatah, which we now call the Palestinian Authority, has a program to pay ordinary Arab Palestinians in the disputed territories who kill Jews. Okay, so if you kill a Jew,
hmm,
you get a lifetime salary. And in fact, recently it was reported that some of the people coming out of the Israeli jails right now with the latest quote unquote peace plan, Trump's peace plan, some of the people coming out of Israeli jails are millionaires from this pay for slay program, as they call it. Okay, so
well,
obviously annexing Judea and Samaria would be a good thing because the Palestinian Authority is a Jew killing machine. And in fact,
yes.
the pay for slay program, this program to pay people to kill Jews, uh, it's a huge chunk of the Palestinian Authority budget. Okay, because
No,
they're very faithful to these Jew killers. Even if you die in the attempt of killing a Jew, they still pay you the salary. It goes to your family. And if you are arrested, they keep paying the salary. It doesn't matter. And that's why some of these people coming out of the Israeli jails are millionaires.
it's the number one way to make money by far,
That's
right?
true. That's true.
Like,
It's the most important economic activity is killing Jews. And so what you're pointing out is very important because there was a narrow vote in the Knesset in favor of annexing. It's non-binding, but it's in favor of annexing Judea and Samaria. And
hmm,
Trump is saying that he's not going to allow it, right? Because he knows that he's the master and that Netanyahu is his slave. So he says, no, I'm not going to allow this. I don't care what the Knesset does, meaning I don't care what the democratically elected representatives of the Israelis do. Right? That's
wow.
what he's saying.
Yeah.
He's saying I don't give a damn about Israeli democracy or the wishes of Israelis or what the democratically elected representatives of Israelis vote for. I am the master. I am the Pope, and Israel is my ghetto. That's what he's saying. He's saying I am the
Wow.
Pope, and Israel is my ghetto. That's what Trump is saying. And if Israelis don't wake up to this, they're doomed. Um,
And at the same time, he's saying, let's give Hamas a chance for peace. They're
yeah,
breaking some rules here, but
that's
at the
right.
same time,
That's right. He's saying that if Hamas does not disarm, he's going to go disarm them. But there's no deadline. There's no deadline. So he can just keep pushing this back. Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna give them a chance. Let's wait another week. Let's wait another month. Let's see. And meanwhile, Hamas is making facts on the ground that make it harder and harder and harder for the IDF to defeat and disarm them, right? And kill them. So clearly the policy is to assist the jihadis.